But yeah, game. This is what it's called. It's called the pyramid trend. All right. So called the pyramid trend, and you can draw it. Like, make sure when you draw it in Trading View, right? Uh, now we go to the 15 minute. The 5 minute is cool though, but the 15 is better. You see on the 5 minute too though. The trend line. Let's go to the 15 minute real fast. When you draw the pyramid trend, how you draw it is you want to make sure the trend line, the lines, or if it's in an uptrend, to draw the first one, first has to be in an uptrend and then has to be in a downtrend. Draw it. So if you're in an uptrend, the candles must be above the trend line. So it's considered an uptrend. You see the candles are above this trend line, so we're in an uptrend. So the first candle, the trend line for the first trend line, it has to be in an uptrend. Second trend line has to be in a downtrend. Boom. The trend line has to be above the candles, because the candles, just for the trend line, the candles has to be below the trend line. So you can see in the uptrend, the candles are above the trend line. The uptrend, candles are above, and downtrend, candles are below. So make sure that you draw your trend line for the second one. It has to be above the trend line. Has to be above these candles. So the candles must be below this trend line to be considered a downtrend. All right, so for this one too, like for the first one, candles must be above it, the trend line. So like that's how you draw the pyramid trend line game. Um, like boom, like price is going to make lower lows and lower highs, like lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high. It's going to make another lower low back to 1795. Boom. 1793, make a lower high back to 1795, 1796 before making another lower low, 1790. All right, so it's going to do that. It's going to make lower lows, boom, make another lower high, boom, another lower low, 1793, 1792, make a higher high back to 1795, boom, before making a lower low, 1791, eventually 1790. Like, so when it's making lower highs and retesting, let price do what it's supposed to do. It's supposed to do that. It's supposed to make a lower low. When it's going down, it's going to go down because it has to make a lower low. And it's going to go back up and make a lower high before making another lower low. It's supposed to do that. So same thing with the uptrend. It's going to go up, make a higher high, then all the way up, make a higher high, then go back down and make a lower low to 1795 before making a higher high back up to the 1801. Gonna keep doing that, like making another higher high to 804, boom, before making a lower low, back down to 802 before making a higher high, boom, to 808, 810, like basically 813. So yeah, like that's how you draw the pyramid trend line. Like you can see it go like in the past. So like you can like definitely see it in the past. Just find it in the past. Like there's plenty of examples. Just go in the past. Like this is the most recent one that we drew, but you can find them also in the past. Like here's another one. Boom, boom. Another pyramid trend line. Draw the trend line. Boom, and just play with it. So all right, gang. I hope the videos help. So let price do what it's supposed to do. It's going to make structure. Going to make a lower low, then a lower high, then a lower low. If we're in a downtrend, all right. So making a lower high, going to make a lower low, going to hit your take profit eventually. And same thing with your higher high. Like it's going to make a higher low and then a higher high. Like so, I hope those videos help, gang. That's how you draw a pyramid trend line. I will be posting more, gang, like more videos about psychology. Um, not celebrating too early. You're gonna make money, get money, trade. So I'm gonna be doing that, gang, for y'all. So Study these videos. Going to make higher highs, lower highs and lower lows. Going to make a lower low eventually 1790. Like going to make a higher high from 1790, boom, back up to 18. Like it's going to do that eventually. Like it has to do it. So watch these videos. We posting more videos. Game is lit. Like you know what I'm saying. Turn up, make as much money as you can in this market. Like making anywhere from 10 to 15K. You know, easily you can. Like once you understand how to you understand how to trade, you can easily make 10 to 15K a month. So like it can be done. Like you know what I'm saying. So get it done, gang. I'll be posting more videos. It's your boy Nature, aka Nature Gang.